Welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Dropouts. In this video, you will get to know about 15 skills that you can learn on your own. Learning new skills is a great way to position yourself as a strong candidate for job openings. Fortunately, learning skills online makes it easy to enhance your own skill set and qualify for job openings. Reviewing a list of different skills you can learn online can help you identify the ones that are ideal for you and your purposes. Here are 15 skills that you can learn on your own. Number 1. Coding. Coding is a skill that many employers value, regardless of the specific position you hold. Basic coding skills makes it easier for you to help a team launch an app, optimizing a website for the search engines, and even create or edit content. There are lots of online programs that make it easy for you to start learning code, as well as more advanced options for coders who want to enhance their current skills. Number 2. Writing skills. Writing is a fundamental skill that employers value in candidates. Regardless of the field you're in, the ability to write well is an asset. There are a variety of different types of writing skills you may want to consider learning, depending on your industry. For example, if you anticipate that your employer may need someone to write proposals, manuals, or instructions, you may want to consider taking online courses in technical writing. Number 3. Public speaking. Whether you anticipate speaking in front of a large audience or just want to feel more confident in delivering presentations to 1 or 2 people, public speaking skills are invaluable. Public speaking skills take a lot of practice, but can help you feel more self-assured and deliver presentations with greater levels of persuasiveness. Number 4. Graphic design. Employers value graphic design skills, as these skills are useful for creating logos, banners, and other images for websites and social media content. There are lots of online courses that teach beginner and advanced techniques in graphic design, allowing users to develop a foundation in color, layout, typography, and other skills. Number 5. UX design. UX design is a type of website design that focuses on creating a positive experience for users. It combines market research, product development, design, and strategy, and is highly valued by employers who want to gain a competitive edge over other companies by creating the best possible experience for customers. Number 6. Podcasting skills. Podcasting is another skill that you may want to consider developing. Whether you want to create and monetize your own podcast or create one for your employer to promote their products and services, a podcast is a great way to establish yourself, or your company, as an authority on any topic. Whether you're just getting started or want to learn more advanced podcasting strategies, there are lots of online courses available to help. Number 7. Photography skills. Photography skills allow you to enhance a company's website or social media content. These skills are also invaluable for companies that sell products, as high-quality photography can have a big impact on sales. There are many sites online that teach photography skills, whether you're just getting started and need a beginner course, or you're more advanced and need more in-depth training. Number 8. Language skills. Learning a new language can make you more valuable within any organization, regardless of industry or your specific job. Language skills can also qualify you for new or more advanced opportunities, especially if the language you're learning is one harder to find in candidates. Number 9. Search engine optimization. Every company that has an online presence is interested in enhancing its visibility and exposure to potential customers online. One of the best ways to do this is by using search engine optimization, or SEO. There are many online resources with videos that teach SEO as well as how-to articles. These skills are useful if you anticipate working in a marketing department, or if you want to qualify for a role as an SEO specialist. Number 10. Excel skills. Spreadsheets are used in almost every business to manage company data. While many people have basic spreadsheet skills, employees who understand how to effectively use formulas and other features in Microsoft Excel can make it easier for you to organize and utilize data. Number 11. Adobe Photoshop skills. Adobe Photoshop is a software application that was designed for image editing as well as photo retouching. With Photoshop, users can create or edit images, illustrations, and artwork. Understanding how to edit images can make it easier for you to create graphics for websites or new marketing materials. These skills are particularly useful if you currently work in or are aspiring to work in a marketing department. Number 12. Social media marketing. Whether you want to learn the basics of social media or develop advanced skills on a particular platform, there are a lot of courses and how-to guides available online that teach social media marketing. Start by identifying your specific goals, including the platform or platforms you want to learn and any specific skills you want to develop. Then find an online course that specifically addresses those needs. Number 13. Video editing skills. Because consumers have a strong interest in video content, video editing is a high priority for employers. Video editing skills include having an overall sense of pace and timing, the ability to effectively tell stories on video, and video editing skills. Number 14. Budgeting. Budgeting is a useful skill that you can use on a personal as well as professional level. Budgeting skills are essential if you want to qualify for a management position where you may be in charge of allocating resources for a department. There are a number of different websites as well as apps you can use to enhance your budgeting skills. Number 15. Leadership skills. Leadership skills are valuable in any position, regardless of whether you hold an actual management position. Leadership skills help you to motivate other people on your team, improving morale and increasing productivity and overall performance. Leadership skills also help to qualify you for more advanced positions. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such videos.